everyone! Today's video is going to be my everyday makeup look, and as you can see I look like I've just woken up because I feel like I have. I actually woke up about 3 hours ago, but yeah, so this is how I always look. I don't wear makeup every single day, I'm going to say that now. I only wear makeup when I kind of want to feel a bit more put together. I'm going to show you the makeup that I do every day. If you can hear the noises in the background, it's because the kids are playing. This is basically how I get ready because the kids are playing. Isa is crawling around, Elisa is playing with her kitchen over there, TV's on in the other room. This is how I get ready. This is how I have time to get ready. This is my mum hack. I have a basket full of makeup that I would use every day. There's literally like one lipstick in here. I actually use a different lipstick most days, but today I actually felt like using this, so I'm using this one. I've got a blush. Yeah. Oh, you want to make a cake for me? Thank you. I actually have one blush, one bronzer, one eyebrow product. I actually have two concealers and one foundation. Oh, thank you so much. I also have one very versatile eyeshadow palette because I do like to do eyeshadow, and then I also have some brushes that I use regularly. So let's get started. So the first thing I always do is my concealer and my foundation together, and today I think I'm going to actually use both. Sometimes I just use concealer, but today I'm going to use both. So this is the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid, and my colour is Natural Beige, and I'm going to use this concealer by Revolution. This is in C7. So these are what I'm going to use, and I put them both on at the same time. I'm going to put concealer on where I need to, so under my eyes. Oh, I do a lot. And then a little bit down my nose, on my forehead. I have a lot of spots on my chin. Mmm, tasty. So, just like that.
How did she even eat it?
Mmm, so tasty. Okay, so then I'm going to put some of this on. This is the foundation, so I'm literally just gonna do lines. This is what I always do, and then me and Elisa say that I'm a tiger, so I'm a tiger today. I personally don't like to use a beauty blender because I feel like it takes too long. I always use a Real Techniques brush, and the original brush that they did, the flat-headed one, I love that, and I haven't bought that. I've not seen it recently, so I don't know. So I'm gonna just blend it all in.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without.
Now that that's all blended in, I'm going to do my bronzing. So I'm going to use the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm going to use this brush because this is like a blush brush, but I like to use it for my that. Look how easy it is, so quick. I'm just going to blend it, and then I'm also going to do it under my chin. Show me.
But we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite.
That is my bronzing done, and now I'm going to move on to blush. I'm going to use the Soap & Glory Make You Blush one, and this is in, does it have a colour? This is in Rosy Chic, so I'm going to use the same brush. Done. So that is my blush on. I don't like to wear a lot of blush because my face gets red anyway because I'm like running around after the kids. I'm going to use this, which is the Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I love this stuff. Go on then. Go on then. Go. Take pants down, sit on the toilet for me. Pants down, sit on the toilet. that is my eyebrows done. This is the easiest eyebrow product that you could ever use. Have you finished? Yeah. So I'm back and I zoomed in because now I'm going to do my eyes. So my base is basically done. This is the palette that I'm using, the Revolution one, and I'm going to use the most basic colours. So I'm going to use this one and this one mixed together.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like...
That is my base colour done. And then I'm going to use this like pinky red. And I'm going to just put that in the crease and on the outer side. So I'm going to use a little bit on each eye because I don't want it to be too harsh.
They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're done.
And then I'm going to use a smaller, like more compact brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this champagne type colour over here, and I'm going to put that on the corner inside like that, and then just kind of blend it out. And then I'm going to go back to this brush and just blend the middle like so. And that is my eyes done. I'm going to go in with my mascara, which is Bad Gal Bang, and I love this mascara so much. So good. So I'm just going to obviously put mascara on like you do.
We ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
So that is my eyes done. Now I just have my lips to do, and I'm trying to hurry up because Issa's getting a bit restless. So just gonna do my lips. Using the NYX Liquid Suede in the colour Soft Spoken, which is my all-time favourite NYX lip.
Never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride.
This is the finished look, guys. I have a little child in my arms now because obviously I am a mum and they don't play on their own forever. So that is the end of the video, guys. This is the final look that I did. I'm going to put the pin on and show you. Let me just do that. Let me put this little guy down. He's so happy. I'm so happy.
We ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us.
This is the finished look with my scarf, how I am going to wear it today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did, because I haven't done a makeup video in forever. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram because I post on there quite a lot. My Instagram name is Saf's Life. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!